Here's a 60-second video marketing tip to give your 2022 a little jump start. Start with the basics. Making a welcome video for your website is critical because they're already there. People have found your website, they're interested. So give them whatever they need to make a decision. Emotion, facts, connection, and a call to action. It's a simple video, really. Tell us what you do, the results that we can expect, how to find you, and then tell us what to do next. Simple. With this video, you're going to stand out, you're going to get attention, and you'll be able to start a relationship. And when you make a connection, you make a customer. Use your phone, use a webcam, grab a friend to come help you, and just go film something. It may take a few takes to get it good, but let good enough be good enough. You can always go back and do it again later. Once you got the video, just upload it to YouTube with a good solid headline, a little description. Paste that video right on the homepage of your website. Boom, you're done. In business, this is the year for video. Your year for video. Would you like some support? Well, learn a little bit about our upcoming 21-day video marketing jumpstart at socialjumpstart.com/join. And I'll see you next time.